trying to find stuff around here to cure boredom, you know? It's April 1st. This ain't no April Fool's shit, so you better pay attention. I'm thinking I just try and take one a day from back here and from over there, see if I can't get them going. So obviously, no better candidate than daggum Yamaha Champ. I mean, that's obviously my first draft pick right there. Show you guys how to get one tuned up. Maybe it'll be the 30 days of y'all learning what the fuck to do. Who knows? But challenge accepted. You just fucking challenged me, and then I accept. So here we go. After digging in a little bit, I decided to go ahead and get the pressure washer out because she's a little spidery. So I'll show you a few things about this bike that are unique compared to the Badger, and get her in there and we'll get to work on her. She's pretty though. It's got two 10 mils on it. See here? And I come in at an angle, and the carb comes off easy as that. I'm gonna take this throttle slide off. It just unscrews. I'm not gonna do that. I'm gonna clean that. And I am gonna go out and run some fresh gas through this tank, because I know it's full of dirt and dust, and this little titty came out with the line, but it'll go right back in. So, put some fresh gas in it. Gave her a couple little shakes. We're gonna let this drain. So I have the carb off here. Want to have somewhat of a clean workspace. A couple picks that I use, you know, just for your air compressor or blower. Pair of needle nose flathead and a Phillips, some brake cleaner, some carb cleaner, whatever you prefer. I have both. This had a straw in it. I don't really hold. You keep the rubber gaskets away from the stuff regardless. Only clean stuff is going on this rag. I loosened this flathead up. Oh man, I'll be damned. Talk about an air leak. Well, we're not going to be cleaning this carb, and I'll show you why. We could probably JB weld it. I've never even seen that before. Some bitch got a hole in her now. We'll see if we got one that'll fit it though. I hope. Never seen that before, but it looks like the choke flap or something bust a hole in the side of it. I'm sure I could seal that up, but it's going to have a massive air leak. So. Nice. No cross treads. Cool. Got some new fuel line here, new fuel filter. This old stuff's gonna have to come off. Okay. 10, nice and gentle. A little on each side, kind of thing. Oh, goes that away. Pop this here. These are a little bit bigger than the inlet on the carb, so hopefully it won't leak. Check that Yamaha off the list, guys. That little bugger, it's a done deal. Makes it pretty easy. And it's a Yamaha, so there you go. Easy, boy. Like it? Yeah. Stop it with your foot. Okay. No, the foot brake. What's the matter with you? Ride it. So you guys be sure and like and subscribe. Tomorrow we're gonna do another one. I might even go get it out today because it's not raining. I don't want to try and drag it out in the mud because I'll get mud all in here. Well, day one's over with, so we're gonna get on to day two. And it's gonna rain tomorrow. I don't want to pull this into the shop through a bunch of mud. So, little Yamaha's gonna deliver it today. That's what happens when you get back on ball heads, boys. When you're a 100 Champ and you got more torque and you know what to do with. You can pull old luggy Suzuki's up hills and shit. That's what you do. Come on, boy, keep up. That slow Suzuki, damn it. Keep her coming now. The one after this, they named the Badger because it's so tough, but this was the Champ, and the little 80 can't compete with it. Drug that 125 in here with flat tires like nothing. You guys be sure and like and subscribe. Lots more to come. I'm gonna figure something else out for tomorrow. That was light shit. We're gonna be rebuilding the CR motor in the next 10 days or so, throwing a paint job on that bike, on the mini bike. So it's gonna be lots of new videos coming. I just posted a video today and I'm gonna try and get this one up today, but I don't know if it's gonna happen. We'll see. So appreciate it, guys.
Street.